Try to not do things in your career for money. That will never make you happy. You'll never be satisfied in those roles. You'll always be looking for the next role, the next thing. So for what I'm getting from this is that software engineering was not your passion, but you went it anyways. The job market's too tight because there's so many people in there. And now you want to chase the next market where there might be more jobs, right? Please try to not do that, right? I'm not just saying that for the data science industry. I'm saying that for you, because if you jump from field to field like that, especially fields that are so different like that, you're never going to find something that you really want to dedicate your life to, right? So please refer back to the video I have out there, the data science roadmap for students. It's on my YouTube. It's completely free. You know, I don't pitch anything on it. I don't make anything on it. But, you know, I'm really big on following your passions.